All right, so we got one hotspot so far out of all of this. Yeah, that's it. All right, conditions are not great for launching low, but shouldn't be bad for launching where I'm planning to launch from, as long as I get a glide down and the wind is coming out of the correct direction. All right, at this point, I'm heading up what I call endless hill, pretty cooked from trying to chase those runners. That was stupid. But hey, worth it. I mean, I'm pretty sure I can see a lot of hot spots from here. I haven't pulled out the mapper. Let me see if I can do that right now, check how many I'm getting. But this is San Diego, should be a fair amount. All right, not looking that good. I would have thought it would have been better from here, but yeah, that's what we got. Just one. 107, 7 dB.